Greetings from the Sunshine State. I created this red rose pour. It was a ring pour last September, and since then I've been planning to try to replicate it using different colors, and that's what I plan to do today. My base coat is a concoction of paint drippings from previous pours. It's sort of a blue-gray. It's just a combination of various colors that created that color. So that would be my base. And then I chose 3 colors for the pour. So the white is DecoArt's Pearl metallic texture. And the middle one is Liquitex light blue violet. And this one is a mixture of Atelier's blue black indigo and DecoArt's deep sapphire. So the Atelier and the deep sapphire. My paints are mixed with 2 parts of the EasyCare untinted gloss paint, a couple squirts of MinWax, and then I had a little bit of this left that I bought a couple years ago. It's DecoArt liquid glass pouring medium, and it's very thick, so I thought I'd use that since I wanted thick texture. And then 1 part paint. I'll put the recipe in the description box below. So my base is thinner than my paints. I just wanted something for the paints to glide over. you are enjoying this video, please like and subscribe below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe below.